Hi Capricorn, this is Mystic Mage Status and welcome to your reading. And let's go ahead and take a look at your overall energy this coming September 1 to 15, 2025. Angels, what's your guidance for your situation? Capricorn this coming September 1 to 15, 2025. Okay, Four of Cups, Queen of Cups, Justice card in reverse. Okay, so first of all, you have the Four of Cups, so which indicates an emotional detachment or a boredom. Nabobored siya, di ba? Someone is offering you something to you, um, maybe in a business venture, siguro. This partner, friend, family, or co-workmates nyo na ina-offer sa inyo na it's something na parang ayaw nyo, ganun. You're not sure. I think you don't have the confidence with this offer or this person. Yan. Siguro, you are tired. Parang, no, parang ganun. Yung nasa sense ko na energy. Okay, Capricorn, next you do have the Queen of Cups. So, which indicates an emotion of, you are emotionally driven by something different. Siguro hindi niyo to tinatanggap because you have other views. Iba yung pananaw niyo. Like for example, so my sa sales, may way of may na-offer sila sa inyo na ganito gawin mo, ganito ganyan para kumita ng malaki ganyan. Pero iba yung pananaw niyo. Parang ganyan. Diba? Pwede din sa, no, sa studies or sa love life. Yung friends niyo. Sinasabi niyo na, wag siya ganyan, wag to, ganito, ito gawin mo, ito ganyan. Pero ayaw niyo because you have your own thinking. You have your own ideas. And that ideas is, yun yung gagawin niyo. Ayaw yung makinig sa iba. Yun yung nasa-sense ko. Diba? Ayaw yung makinig sa iba. And your ideas, you're very profound in your ideas na naku-close niyo yung door. Kita niyo tong shell. Or siyang closed space na kayo lang. Diba? On your own ideas. Anong sinasabi ko? Ba't ako makikinig sa inyo? Parang ganun. I have my own thoughts. You know? Parang may pagka, a little bit of stubborn person itong si Capricorn. Siguro sa ilan sa inyo. Ganon. Okay. So, you have the Justice card in reverse position. Okay? So, this indicates an imbalance, unfair treatment, or a poor judgment towards something. So, I guess, sinasabi ng baraha, Capricorn, na you have to also listen sa sinasabi ng ibang tao sa inyo. Don't be so close-minded, parang ganun. Because I sense na very close kayo, very close na environment niyo. Kayo lang, kung ano yung naiisip nyo, yun na yun. Ayaw makinig sa iba. Tapos, ganun. But they are offering something. Maybe this is something na makapagpapabago ng buhay mo. Makapagpapabago ng takbo ng karera mo o negosyo mo. Ganun. Kasi you have the Justice card in reverse position eh. So, ibig sabihin, there's an imbalance na mangyayari. Hindi pantay. Ganun. And a poor judgment towards your situation. Siguro, yung mga sinasuggest nila is nakakabuti naman, pero ayaw nyo yung tanggapin. Diba? And because of that, maapektuhan yung ano mo, takbo siguro ng ano mo, karera mo, yung studies mo, yung love life mo, or yung business mo. Parang ganun. Pero hindi naman siya overly impacted. But, it's still affecting you, your situation. Diba? Capricorn. I have here the Healing Oracle card to guide you. Angel, what's your guidance for Capricorn this September 1 to 15, 2025? Unconditional love. And the eternity. Okay, first, unconditional love. My heart is free from resentment toward others. I open the eyes of my heart and discover the light and beauty in every being. I am aware that suffering can cause distress and hurt in people. I see the pure child in everyone and practice forgiveness. Okay, I see. Siguro, part na yun part na ng personality ni Capricorn ang pagiging stubborn. But, siguro yung iba, but the angel is reminding you that you have to free your heart from resentment towards others. So, be open-minded lang. Yun na. Be open-minded lang. Kasi, nasa sa'yo naman ang desisyon kung susundan mo. And also, you have here the eternity. Gently move your awareness from the external world to a world of light within your heart. Allow each breath to heal you as you drift to a place beyond time, eternally exist within you, forever sparkling like a diamond. You are, in essence, a shining star, forever transforming to a greater light. Okay. So, yun na. Sinasabi niyang marahil dito from your angels and the universe. Move your awareness down from the external world to a world of light within your heart. So, be open-minded lang sa mga bagay-bagay. Don't close yourself. Okay? The world is full of light. So, isa puso nyo yung mga ideas nila. Pagtimbangin nyo kung ano yung mas nakakabuti. Diba? Baka isa sa kanilang nag-offer sa inyo. Will lead to success. Capricorn. So, ayun. That's your reading. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.